Hey Kiki friends, it's your girl Kinky and welcome back to my channel. You already know this channel is here to help you grow a healthy and long natural hair. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys 4 ways to style your hair wrap when you have braids on. Okay, so let's jump right into the video right now.
Feel my heart, it's beat tight. Oh, my body's breathing, it's just you